Hi, I'm Charlotte and I'm coming today from Montmartre Public Library, and I'm going to show you how to make the World Guinness Book of Record paper airplane for flying the longest distance. All you need is a standard piece of paper, and you're going to put the long side running at you, and you take the right corner and you bring it down and you meet up and you fold a diagonal. And make a crease, and make a good crease because you're going to use those lines later to help you fold. And you open it up and you do the same thing. You take the left side and you're going to bring it down, and your folds are going to start meeting. And again, crease firmly, so and you're going to open it up. Now you're going to take your right corner and you're going to bring it down to this crease that you made. And it's going to meet up right along that fold that you've made. And then you take your left corner and you do the same thing. You bring it down to the center, and you know that you've got it in the right spot when your lines, your creases start meeting up. And again, fold firmly. Now you're going to take the top, and you've got this spot right here where it meets. That's where you're wanting to fold it. You're going to bring it down, and again, those creases on your paper, there's a crease here and a crease here, it's going to meet up with this place. So you know you've got it in the right spot when your creases are meeting. And again, fold it firmly because you're going to have multiple layers. Then you're going to take this crease and you're going to bring it in and fold it. And you're going to bring this one in on the crease over here. And then you've got this little piece of paper. You're going to turn it like a tab, and you're just going to fold it up. So when you fold your plane, it's going to help lock this part in. So then you're going to take it. You want your plain piece inside, all the extra stuff outside, and you're going to try, the most important corner is this corner up here and down here, to try to get your points. And you're going to fold it firmly again. So now it's time to fold your wing. And now if you just bring it down, you're going to end up with a little triangle here. You don't want that triangle. To get it to fly further, you want to cover that triangle, so you just pull it down a little bit more so you don't see the triangle anymore. And again, you press it firmly, flip it over, do the same thing on the other side, flip it over, and press firmly. Now you have your plane, so what you do is you're going to want to get a little uplift, so you're going to put your plane up, and you can also give it a little bend here to help it go further. Don't crease here, just kind of give it a, and there you go. That's how you make it.